Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. You're probably like, where have you been? It has been so gloomy and dark. I just needed a mental health break for a second from Vlogmas. To be completely honest, seasonal depression has hit me. I did not feel like doing anything, but I will say the one productive thing I did was finish Wednesday. I just wasn't happy with the vlogs in general. I did vlog, but it was just like me laying in bed not doing anything, and I feel like that's not interesting. I decided to make the executive decision to just skip, and we are starting fresh today. It is December 10th and Remi is back from Big Bear, so I'm so excited to see her. We have a lot of fun things planned and I'm just really excited for the rest of Vlogmas, and I feel like that was just a weird slump I had. So I hope you guys understand and I'm super excited to be back. It is so gloomy out today again, literally. I always forget how gloomy and cold it gets in December for some reason. It doesn't process in my brain. Daylight savings just doesn't process in my brain. I got a really cool package in the mail today. Something special that I ordered. My Miss Remi merch. I ordered the Sherpa blanket. Unbothered and cozy. How cute is that? And this will look so cute in my apartment. We're gonna throw her there. And of course, I had to get my unbothered and cozy sweatshirt. I'm gonna wear this today and surprise her. I hope I don't get makeup all over it. So right now I'm wearing my CC cream, and the only thing that I don't like about this CC cream is I leave fingerprints everywhere and it transfers really easily. I am getting a little hungry and I'm kind of craving this brie and turkey sandwich from this specific place. It's so good. Remi's new house is so rich. This is my dream home. Look at this. It is giving luxury. You guys, look at this insane view and pool. What the heck? Look at this insane backyard. This is crazy. I just had to get in to show you guys the view. There's like an infinity pool. How freaking stunning. And an overview of the house itself. You can see Remi in there. And then down here is the master bedroom. And look, there's like a little lemon tree. Let's see. Oh, it's locked. We have Miss Chesko here. God, the living room. It's giving luxury and wealth. Look at this kitchen. I love that it's like matte black and wood. This is very me. Oh my God, you need this in your house. Like a TV in the kitchen. That's your dream. Look at these cabinets. This is so awesome.
Hi, welcome to my lovely abode.
Daisy looks so funny. Hello everyone. So we are doing a little Christmas exchange. I suggested we switch to January because Chesko is going to be gone for a month. So his gift is still in transit, but he forcibly is giving me his gift today. Just for context, because I have nothing for him.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God, look at how it's decorated. This is so cute. Thank you. It's so cute. I actually loved Pachaco. He was my ultimate favorite Sanrio character.
He's so cute.
Literally.
And the pop socket is like adorable.
This is so cute. Okay, I don't know which case to put this on.
Get a clear one.
True. There's so much Sanrio core. I'm so happy right now. This one's my favorite. And Chesko got me a book, Lolita.
Period.
I've actually never read Lolita.
Well, we can read it together.
And this is so funny. Also, fun fact, I love Kirby. I played so many Kirby games when I was younger, and I would love that it would just suck everything up in 20 different powers. Thank you so much. Remi locked herself out and Daisy's freaking out. Hello everyone. We are going to do a grocery haul of Miss Remi's new luxury mansion.
Thank you so much.
Did that make any sense? I'm not speaking words.
Yes, Cal and I are going to be here for the indefinite, not forever, but we're here for a
Remi
certain
bought
amount
it.
of time. No. Well, my house is being repaired. So we were having a staycation, and I got a lot of groceries and things to make lunches and stuff so we can hang out and just chill here. So,
We love eating.
haul. Do you want to do the haul with me?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll do one bag.
Okay, I'll do the other bag.
Okay. I don't know what she bought, so
Yeah,
this is
I
a
just
surprise
got a lot
to
of
me.
stuff.
We have jalapeno chips.
Yum.
Next, we have baked cheddar sour cream and onion chips.
Yum.
Next, we have, most importantly, eggs.
I probably should have gotten 2 dozen. I eat a lot of eggs. Okay.
Egg lover.
I got, they had them.
Oh my
The
God,
best
those look so
cookies.
good.
The best cookies. Cheska, look what I got.
We're gonna eat them tonight.
I got these, and then I also got another kind, but they usually are sold out of these, so I'm very happy I got 2
I've
packs.
never had this. I
What?
swear I've never had them.
What? We've got, for breakfast, I'm gonna do like a little parfait situation.
Oh.
So I got some vanilla chia granola.
Rich behavior.
I also brought some stuff from my fridge at home that was gonna go bad. So I brought some berries, I brought some bananas, so I'll slice those on top.
Okay.
I got garlic salt because I forgot seasoning. I got honey for that parfait.
Yes.
I got mayo because I'm gonna make sandwiches. I got ketchup because I got some fun stuff for ketchup.
Gorge.
These are my favorite tortillas. I literally had them for breakfast. I use them to make breakfast tacos, quesadillas, whatever it is. For sandwiches, I got my favorite kind of cheese,
wow.
white American. I got salami.
The cheese looks expensive.
I got some turkey breast because Cal's gonna be working a lot, so we can just have quick sandwiches. Prosciutto.
Love a good prosciutto.
I love a prosciutto. We got some lettuce for the sandwiches.
Okay.
Maybe a salad situation. We've got, I'm gonna make some
Oh
guac.
my God.
Some
That's a lot of
free
avocados.
that I'm gonna do guac and then have some for toast and then have some for
Cute.
sandwiches. I've got onions for the guac slash sandwiches. Some strawberries for my
Strawberries.
parfait.
Very Hailey Bieber of you.
Thank you. A little black pepper.
Cute.
And then last bag. Oh, this is all the fun stuff. I got ice creams because obviously I love ice cream. This is my favorite Ben & Jerry's flavor because they took away strawberry cheesecake and took away Cherry Garcia. So by default, it's my favorite now. Milk and cookies.
Wait. It's when
I'm pretty sure they did.
triggered.
I love Cherry Garcia.
I'm so upset.
I'm
right
pretty
now.
sure, fact check that for me. But this I've been loving since college. It is a vanilla ice cream with chocolate chip cookie swirl, chocolate chip, and chocolate chip cookies.
Yummers.
So it's really good. I got, I got some regular chocolate chip cookie dough.
Thank God.
I love a chicken nugget, so I got a chicken nugget and some fries to have when I'm just feeling snacky.
You love a chicken nugget.
I love a chicken nugget. I got Cal mint chocolate cookie because his favorite flavor is mint chocolate chip.
I love mint.
This is my yogurt for my parfaits in the morning.
Some Chobani.
Oh, I saw this. It came up. Chocolate coffee brownie
Ooh, oh my
ice
God.
cream. So I wanted to try that. And then I got pizza bagels.
I love pizza bagels
I
so
do
much.
too. We can make these. Some chicken and maple sausage for breakfast. And then
Gorge.
last but not least, quite possibly the best,
Tostitos.
pizza rolls.
Gorge.
Pepperoni. Thank God they got the good ones. I'm going to microwave these right now. That's the haul.
The smile.
Oh my God. This is a good haul.
This was a good haul. Remi's donating this haul to my channel. Gorge.
Tell me when.
We are eating some sugar fish and watching my favorite holiday movie.
Yeah, your favorite ever. Are you happy?
Yes, this is the best. Remi, thank you for getting this house.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, outside. It's cold
Hello everyone. I'm going to end my vlog here and I'm gonna head home and start editing this video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.